Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Kiddie Pool Slide is probably one of the most fantastic ways to transform your backyard into an instant aquatic adventure park, offering endless hours of splashing fun and creating unforgettable summer memories for your little ones, making those sweltering days feel like a thrilling water wonderland right at home without the hassle of crowded public pools. Number 5. Intex 57453 EP Rainbow Slide Inflatable Pool. Transform your backyard into a vibrant world of fun. This exciting play center ignites your child's imagination with its brightly colored design and engaging games. It's the perfect way for them to stay cool while exploring a world of adventure. Get ready for non-stop entertainment. It features a wading pool, a main pool, and an exhilarating water slide. Plus, kids will love the refreshing water sprayer, ring toss, ball roller, and ball toss games. Setting up this amazing play center is a breeze, so kids can start splashing in minutes. Simply inflate it, attach a garden hose to the built-in fish sprayer, and the summer fun begins. Remember to place it on a flat grass surface for the best experience. This colorful outdoor play center is specifically designed for children ages 2 and up. With an inflated size of 9.75 feet by 6.3 feet, it offers ample space for play. When playtime is over, the convenient drain plug makes cleanup easy. Intex ensures all its products meet the highest standards, with safety as the top priority. This innovative and affordable play center is built to last, providing endless hours of enjoyment. You can trust in its quality and value for your family. What we like. This vibrant play center offers a full backyard adventure. If you are looking for a pool with multiple activities like ring toss and ball games, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families wanting a quick and easy setup for endless summer fun. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no helpful points can be selected regarding the Kiddie Pool Slide. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Learning Pool. This innovative pool was created by loving parents to make learning easy and fun. Its unique learning mat ensures your little one soaks up knowledge while they play. Get relief from the summer heat with this inflatable kiddie pool, perfect for children 12 months or older. Watch them cherish moments under its refreshing fountain sprinklers, creating oceans of adventures. Keep your kids cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor water toy. This shallow wading pool and sprinkler promises uncompromised quality, being both BPA and phthalates-free. Experts agree that learning through play is crucial for a child's healthy development. This incredible pool offers both educational opportunities and an outdoor playset in one. As parents, the company prioritizes the safety of your kids and the quality of their toys. If your purchase isn't right, their customer care team is ready to make things right. What we like. This unique splash pad combines fun with education. If you want your child to learn while they play, its educational mat is ideal. It's perfect for parents who prioritize safe, engaging, and developmental outdoor play for their toddlers. What people say. Number 3. Intex 57470 EP Sunshade Kiddie Pool. Introduce the perfect spot for your little ones to splash and play. This inflatable pool provides a cool, shaded environment, allowing parents to relax while keeping a watchful eye. It's designed for children aged 3 years and up. Crafted from durable 10-gauge vinyl, it's made to withstand frequent use. This ensures long-lasting entertainment, standing strong against sunshine and rain. You can count on it for season after season of fun. Enjoy wide, 48-inch high side walls and a soft inflatable floor for maximum comfort. Its extra-wide sunshade creates a perfectly shady play area, keeping children cool and protected. They'll love spending hours in this cozy space. Featuring a stylish ocean scene design, it instantly captures little ones' attention. This vibrant artwork sparks their imagination, enhancing their play experience. Watch as they create their own underwater adventures. Measuring 62 inches long, 62 inches wide, and 48 inches tall, it's compact yet spacious. This makes it ideal for most outdoor spaces, bringing family fun right to your backyard. Setting it up is a breeze. What we like. This pool provides a comfortable and shaded play area. If you are concerned about sun exposure for your little ones, its extra-wide canopy is a major plus. It's best suited for families seeking a durable, shady spot for younger children to splash safely. What people say. Number 2. Intex 57114EP Mushroom Baby Pool. Introduce your little one to the joys of summer with this delightful pool. Its brightly colored mushroom top and fun garden theme are sure to bring a smile to any child's face. Keep your child comfortable for hours of splashing. It features a soft inflatable floor and a convenient mushroom top sunshade to keep them cool. This pool is designed as the perfect beginner size, helping your little one splash and play with confidence. It's ideal for ages 1 to 3. Crafted from durable vinyl, this product is built to the highest standards. Intex prioritizes safety and quality in all its designs. Intex designs, builds, and tests all its products to ensure lasting value. A dedicated customer service team is available to assist with any questions. What we like. This charming pool is designed specifically for the youngest swimmers. If you have a baby or toddler just starting to enjoy water play, its soft floor and convenient size are perfect. It's an ideal choice for introducing little ones to water in a safe and comfortable environment. What people say. Number 1. Little Tikes 2-in-1 Wet or Dry Slide. This is the perfect beginner slide, designed specifically for toddlers to learn and grow with. It provides a safe and fun introduction to sliding. Connect a standard garden hose to transform it into a refreshing water slide. Water sprays through jets above, adding an exciting splash to their playtime. Whether it's sunny or rainy, this slide is ready for action. You can set it up indoors for year-round fun or take it outside when the weather is nice. Enjoy double the fun with its versatile 2-in-1 design. When the hose isn't connected, it functions perfectly as a classic dry slide. When playtime is over, simply fold it up for easy and compact storage. This makes tidying up a breeze and saves space in your home. What we like. This versatile slide offers year-round fun, indoors or out. If you're looking for a beginner slide that can also be used with water, its dual functionality is a great feature. It's perfect for families who want a durable, adaptable toy that transitions easily between seasons and locations. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.